go. I'm a good man, are you a good man? Does a good man take you home? Well, rejoicing mouth I sing for you in pause. And I know you don't know what I'm capable of, but in time you learn to taste all the salt in my lungs. I see things I actually don't see, and I knew it wasn't actually you a few feet from my reach. I looked into your eyes and I began to lose my teeth. I felt you were dreaming the same thing. And I know you don't know what I'm capable of, but if you just give me just one more minute, I'm sure that you would be shaking right down to your soul. And I hope that the fear of the Lord brings me home. I'm a man in a body of water so tall, swallow you whole and forget where he's going. But I compromise